Santa, let's go around over here. I'm good.
So that's a double cup there. Now, is that a real fire or a gas?
That's really?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Robert Walker.
Now, what's this?
They put the chair. Can I peek up there? They put up here? Yep. With all the kids or what?
Yeah, all the kids. The parents got the bed,
Wow.
and the kids had to sleep on the ground, not just in a blanket with them.
Yeah.
And then that was that bucket next to the bed.
Yeah.
That's the bathroom.
Dang, water.
So these are vintage pictures.
Yes, they are, and these are not the original furnishings, although the house does contain many pieces of the original house that was originally built on Glebe, but these are vintage, yes.
Which person lived in this house?
This is Robert Walker's house and his wife Margaret. You can see their portraits are over there. It was built in 1871.
Foundation placed it and it leaves it here. Yeah, it's, I think 1871 or 96.
Okay, let's take this off and keep going on up.
Do you guys have passports you want to stay after?
I think we got them. Where's the clock?
It
We
is
got it.
June the 16th of 2012.
That's
June
right.
16th of 2012.
That's true.
Gulf Branch Nature Center.
Yeah, it's their birthday party and annual open house.
You guys are doing a good job.
So there's a little attic here.
Yeah, and upstairs. Is that your pouch, Nancy?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
If you could take custody of that, please.
So what's this device, ma'am? What's this device?
You can go on
That is, usually do a lot that much bigger stick, and you pull it with both hands, and you carve it.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not very good at carving.
Well, that's all right. Well, so it was to carve sticks or wood or?
Yep, he created like that room right there.
You guys share your bedroom?
Yeah.
Well, guess how many people share this bedroom? 11.
How you make
11
it
people.
sharp, of course.
You know how many of them got beds?
Yeah, they have a rack there. I guess you got
Mom and
certain
Dad
types of
slept in that bed
stone.
way
you
over
could-
there. The kids got mattresses and blankets on the floor.
Maybe they went to a blacksmith.